Hey everybody and happy Monday! Our graphic novel for this week is Afar by Lila Del Duca and illustrated by Kit Seaton. The story is set in a post-industrial desert wasteland, and it follows the story of 15-year-old Botema and her younger brother Inotu, who are left on their own as their parents leave for months at a time to go be salt shepherds. So the siblings have to sort of look out for each other and fend for themselves, which gets complicated because one day Inotu eavesdrops in on a shady illegal business dealing in his small town, and the siblings have to go on the run. While all of this is going on, Botema has found out that she has the power or the ability to astral project to other planets, which leads for some fantastic and interesting adventures, but also ends up with some problems and consequences as well. Someone ends up getting hurt, and she's left having to deal with figuring out those problems and her ability in general, as well as the problem with her and her brother having to fend for themselves and be on the run. So these two storylines sort of intertwine throughout this interesting future not post-apocalyptic, but post-apocalyptic setting. It's a cool setting. The art is really awesome. I think it's lovely. The colors are awesome. I've heard this described as a mix between Nameless City, Delilah Durkin, Star Wars, because there's the action-adventure element as well as the magic and sci-fi as well. So if those sound interesting, I highly recommend checking this out. Sadly, there's only the one volume. Hopefully we get a sequel, because I would love to see the world expanded upon and know where the characters end up. It's just such a lovely book. Anyway, check out Afar. And that's it for this week. Stay tuned for Teen Book Tuesday tomorrow. Bye!